There is some rules that we need to consider here. So let's say negative times negative. The answer must be a positive. Okay. Positive times a positive. The answer must be a positive. Negative times a positive. The answer must be a negative. Positive times a negative. The answer must be a negative. So if you can see nicely the pattern which is right here, you will see that when we have got same signs, we are getting a positive. Multiplying same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. Different signs, negative. So this is the only key we must use to be able to work out these questions and the questions right here. So multiplication and division, they use the same pattern. Okay, same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. That's all. So let's give it a try. Negative 4 times 2. What sign do we have here? It's a negative. Here, it's a positive. Are they the same? They are different. So it's falling where? It's falling right here. Different signs, you get a negative sign. Okay, so we're going to say 4 times 2. What are we getting? It's 8. And what sign do we have? It's a negative because different signs, you always get a negative answer. So let's go to this one. 4 times 2, it's 8. What sign should we put here? Check the signs. We have negative and positive. Negative, positive. It's negative. Always different signs supposed to give you a negative answer. Here, we have got negative 4 times negative 2. So we're going to say 4 times 2, it's giving us 8. Do we have same signs or different? Signs are the same here. What does the pattern here say? It says that when you have got same signs, you always get a positive. So it's positive. For as long as you are multiplying. When you are multiplying same signs, you get a positive. So multiplying same signs, it's a positive. What about here? We write 8 because 4 times 2 is 8. Now, what about the sign? Here, there's a positive and a positive here. And what does it say? Same signs, it's a positive. So here, it's a positive. Okay, so let's check on the division. So for the division, we're going to use the same, okay? The same pattern works for division. So we're going to change here, it's division. We're changing to division, division. Okay. So when dividing same signs, you get a positive. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative. Different signs, negative. So let's try it on this one. We're going to say negative 4 divide by 2. So we're just going to say 4 divide by 2. It will give us a 2. Now, what sign are we supposed to put here? What sign are we supposed to put? Is it a negative or a positive? It is a negative. Why? Because different signs, we get a negative. Let's go to this one. We're going to say 4 divide by 2. It's a 2. Now, what sign are we supposed to put? It's a negative. Reason, different signs, negative. Let's come to this one. We're going to say 4 divide by 2. It's a 2. The sign here it will be a positive. Why? Because when dividing same signs, we get a positive answer. Here also it will be a 2 and a positive. Why? Same answers, positive. So now let's try to check on addition and subtraction. So for addition and subtraction, we are going to use two different rules. Two important different rules. So we're going to say same signs. This is very important. You do what? You add and get the sign that you're able to see. Different signs. Different signs, you subtract and get the sign of the bigger number. So these are the two rules that apply to addition and subtraction. So let's start with the first one. We've got negative 4 plus 2. So are the signs same here? We have negative and positive. Are they the same? They are different. So let's check. What does different say? Different says subtract and get the number of the bigger, and they get the sign of the bigger number. So we're going to say 4 minus 2. What is the answer? It's a 2. Now, what is the sign of the bigger number? It is a negative. That's all. So different signs, you subtract and get the sign of the bigger number. So now let's go to this one. We come to this. So this is the same as this, because we know that positive times negative, we get a negative. Remember on multiplication, we said when multiplying different signs, you get a negative answer. So positive times negative, it will give us a negative. So we're going to say 4 minus 2. What are we getting? It's a 2. Okay. Now, what is the sign of the bigger number? It's a positive. So, meaning here it's positive. The same here, we need to simplify. We have negative 4 minus 2. Positive times negative, it will give us a negative, which is right here. So, it will be negative 4 minus 2. It is a 6 and sign a negative. So, now how have I gotten this 6? Here it says same signs you add and get the sign that you're able to see. So this is negative and negative. So we're going to add the numbers. 4 plus 2, it will give us a 6. Now what sign are we able to see? It's a negative. The same applies to this. We'll get a 6 because here there is a positive and a positive here. So it's same signs you add and get the sign, which is a positive. Let's come to subtraction. So the signs here are the same. What do? We add, we're getting a 6, and put the sign that you're able to see using this rule right here. Here, we simplify. It will be 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, which is equal to, remember multiplication rule, multiplying same signs, you get a positive answer. So here it will be a 6, because it will be 4 plus 2, which is a 6, and we get a positive sign because here it's positive and here it's positive. Here it will be negative 4 plus a 2. Positive times positive, negative times negative, it's positive, which is equal to, here it will give us a 2 because negative 4 plus 2, the signs are different. So when you've got different signs, you subtract, it will be 4 minus 2, which is a 2, and get the sign of the bigger number, a negative. So it will be like that. Here the same, we subtract because we have a positive here, a negative, we subtract, and it will give us a 2. We check the sign of the bigger number, it's positive, right? Positive. So this is how you deal with the positive and negative signs. Thank you so much. I guess this has been beneficial to you. If you like the video, please give it a thumb, okay? And comment. And if you'd also like to join our online tuitions, mostly those who are doing GCE or ECZ internal, the number to WhatsApp or call is right here. We'll be able to give you the information that you need before you write your exams. Thank you and bye-bye.